Today in this video we're going to discuss about an important question. The question is regarding the power transmission lines. That why the insulations are not provided in the power transmission line. What are the reason behind it? Let's talk about it in a detailed way. Basically, the power transmission lines are not insulated with the plastics or the rubbers like household wares because the voltages are too high for the practical insulations. So here air itself acts as an insulation, and adding thick insulation would make them too heavy, costly, and difficult to cool also, and it also requiring much stronger towers. Instead, safety is managed by keeping lines high off the ground and far apart. Porcelain or polymer insulators are used only where the line connect to the tower to prevent the electricity from the grounding. So overall reason behind it, that weight and the cost. So adds immense weight requiring stronger and more expensive towers, which increases the material cost. So this was the reason behind why the insulators are not provided in the power lines. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, guys.